Ripple XRP September moon date, possibilities, and speculation. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss the September moon date for XRP and its possibilities and speculation. But before we start, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back into the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple gives probably the most superior blockchain expertise for world funds, which permits monetary establishments to broaden into new markets worldwide. Greater than a third of the world's 100 largest banks have examined or are already utilizing this cost expertise. And you will need to point out that the companies and folks that they serve have entry to an open and inclusive system, irrespective of the places they're positioned. Ripple blockchain expertise improves the velocity, value, and reliability of how individuals transact, whereas Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse mentioned that the transaction volumes of this cryptocurrency are anticipated to extend much more. In response to the most recent information, Ripple has introduced a partnership with International Cash Categorical, one of the many largest non-bank remittance service suppliers in South Korea. International Cash Categorical has relations to Siam Business Financial Institution, SCB, Thailand's largest financial institution by way of market capital. By Ripple's world monetary community expertise, RippleNet to speed up and scale funds from South Korea into Thailand. August has been a really constructive month for the cryptocurrency market. Most cryptocurrencies costs went up. Nonetheless, if the worth of Bitcoin falls under the $45,000 assist stage, it may add strain to the entire cryptocurrency market. Ripple's XRP value has exploded since the start of August, and if the worth jumps above $1.40, the subsequent goal could possibly be around $1.50. Ripple is consistently including new shoppers, and in keeping with the most recent information, Ripple has introduced a partnership with International Cash Categorical, one of the many largest non-bank remittance service suppliers in South Korea. XRP price history, the story of 2021 so far. Similar to when you buy stocks, the process of investing in cryptocurrency involves conducting in-depth research on the asset you're interested in, looking at the coin's price history to get an idea of where it could go next. This is known as doing your due diligence and an essential part of investing effectively. With that in mind, we'll start with a brief overview of what XRP is before diving into our XRP stock forecast. The first thing to note is that XRP is the native cryptocurrency incorporated into the Ripple network. Ripple is a money transfer network created by Ripple Labs, enabling transactions to be completed worldwide. One of the most appealing things about Ripple is that it acts as an intermediary in financial transactions, as blockchain technology helps validate these transactions, removing the need for banks or brokers. Furthermore, the Ripple system is much faster than the traditional SWIFT network. For example, Ripple transactions can take 4 to 5 seconds to complete, whilst traditional banking networks can take up to 2 to 3 business days. Ripple transactions are also much cheaper, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as a fee. This tends to equate to less than £1. As noted by Forbes, Ripple was designed to replace the existing SWIFT network, and is doing a pretty good job so far. Moving on to our XRP prediction of 2021, the price chart highlights how volatile this crypto has been thus far. If you look back to December 2017, you can clearly see the massive spike in price that occurred over the following month. The XRP price rose remarkably 1,257% in the space of weeks, prompting many analysts and investors to make bold statements that the price could continue heading as high as it wanted. Alas, this wasn't to be, and the price did begin to decline after reaching the $3.3 level. Since all those high times of January 2018, the price of XRP has been on a steady decline to the levels we see today. There have been a few bullish spikes along the way, such as the ones experienced in September of 2018 and December of 2020, but on the whole, XRP has performed pretty poorly since reaching those heights. One of the main reasons the XRP price hasn't performed as well as the ongoing litigation against Ripple from the SEC. CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson have had a legal proceeding brought against them for allegedly selling unregistered securities worth more than $1.38 billion. This litigation has been going on since December of 2020, and it has hurt the XRP price. However, July 2021 has showcased some positive momentum, with the XRP price rising around 145% in under a month. This leads many market commentators to speculate that this bull run could see XRP heading back to prior heights and maybe even beyond. Now, you have a solid overview of XRP and how the price arrived at this point. Let's take a look at our Ripple price prediction for the future. To ensure the forecast is as accurate as possible, we've broken down the analysis into technical and fundamental factors. As you can see from the price action, the XRP price broke out of the descending channel where it was trapped since May 2021. Price formed on a solid support level of 52 cents, rejecting from here in June and July. Since the latter rejection, the price has shown some fantastic bullish momentum, increasing almost every day over the past month. Looking ahead, there is relatively strong resistance level around the $1.60 mark. Price struggled to breach this area during May 2021, eventually rejecting with larger volatility and declining rapidly. However, with the bullish impetus being shown right now, there is a good chance this level could be broken. Following this, the highs of $1.95 would be the next from a technical standpoint. The area is also a strong resistance level as the price fell by around 50% the last time it reached it. Expect to see some consolidation around here, as it may take multiple attempts to break the level cleanly. Our XRP forecast has also taken into consideration fundamental factors, like when you buy Bitcoin, an investment in XRP is also an investment in the underlying technology. The great thing is that the Ripple network that XRP runs on has an excellent practical use, which adds validity to the current hype around the digital coin. FinancialMagnates.com recently announced that the Global Money Express GME Resistance has recently partnered with RippleNet, further boosting the XRP price. Partnerships such as this add credibility to the Ripple network, which is great news for the coin's price. However, it is also worth noting the ongoing lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Until the lawsuit can be ironed out, it is likely that XRP will experience the uptrend that it should. If the litigation can be handled beneficially for Ripple, then we could see the XRP price skyrocket over the coming months and years. Looking ahead, our XRP price prediction for the long term is promising. Unlike some altcoins such as Dogecoin and Litecoin, XRP has some numerous real-world uses that strengthen its long-term outlook. Due to this, the XRP price predictions depict that XRP price is not just based on hype and speculation, which often lead to disaster. XRP has also recently benefited from the Senate's decision to block proposed legislation that would cause intense regulation of the cryptocurrency market. When the Senate blocked this, it caused a massive rally in the market, with coins such as XRP, Ethereum, and Cardano benefiting greatly. Furthermore, the fact that the Senate has voted against this implies that the governments are coming around to the idea of digital currencies, which is excellent news for the future. In the future, the fact that the XRP system is much faster than Swift is one of the main reasons our XRP price prediction is so bullish. The current payment system is very outdated and slow, with XRP offering the most viable alternative. If the SEC lawsuit can be handled effectively, it may entice more financial institutions to use Ripple's system, leading to significant increases in price expectations of XRP projections. With that said, XRP price prediction 2025 anticipates the coin being valued at around $3.05. This would represent a 170% increase from today's price and higher than all the all-time highs experienced in January 2018. Again, much of this hinges on the SEC filing, which is looming over Ripple at present, although we are optimistic that it will be settled in a mutually beneficial manner. XRP price is incredibly optimistic looking ahead. The Ripple network that XRP runs on has a fantastic real-world use case, which paves the way for many financial institutions to use the system ahead of the Swift network. If Ripple's execs can sort out the threat of the SEC lawsuit, that'll clear a path for further gains in the XRP price. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.